ADIDAS. Vi oggi andiamo molto. Nah. Okay, ready? The actual big thing. Oh my god. So these are the Conma. That sounds really bad in my language, by the way. And I've always been in love with like Y-3 stuff. So I finally went and I was just committed myself and I did the splurge. Oh, they're so gorgeous. So I chose this design because it's just something very different. As soon as I slipped it on, I was just like, oh, am I in heaven? So yeah, I'm gonna put it on and then maybe I'm gonna show you some looks.
All my life I've been offline. Why this land is so hostile? Never caught in the crossfires. On my mama life, I'ma get mine. All my life I've been offline. Baby singing my lullabies. But these days I'm never offline. 10 missed calls and I don't lie. I just found myself a new girl and I'm good. Oh, I'm screaming at me that word never understood. Fuck your books, I don't read them. Don't hit me up cause I'm offline. Come, yeah, you told me that you got me, you were all feeling, or just had it on you, bitch, I draw some more. All my life I've been offline. Why this land is so hostile? Never caught in